Hey traders, Vadim from Shark Tips. Good morning. How are you today? Not the best of week for us here at Shark Tips, as we ran into a string of losing trades and trades that are being closed at break-even level. So I thought it's a good chance first to discuss losing in trading and to go over on one trade that we lost on. Hopefully you can learn something even from this losing trade. So to those of you that been with us for a while, you know that I'm trying to keep it always as transparent as possible. Not to hide behind only winning trades, not trading demo accounts, fake accounts, um, and so on. So let me tell you something. Unfortunately, losing is a part of trading. It happens to everyone. No one can take only winning trades. Obviously, it's all about the risk management and the strategy. If you have a strategy that you know that out of 20 trades, for example, you win on 10, um, it means that it can happen that you have 10 losing trades in a row. This still doesn't mean that your strategy doesn't work. It just means that it takes time for the statics to fall into place. I see a lot of times traders getting into trouble once they start experiencing losing streaks. They start looking for different strategies, for different methods, but the problem most of the times is not in the strategy. The problem is that the market doesn't always move the same way. You know, by the way, that August is a very hard month in the market. All the big institutional players are out. The movement is very slow, unpredictable. Actually, this week, except the pound meltdown, we didn't see any straight movement to a single direction. So how do you deal with losses? Well, first thing, after a loss, whether it's a signal or your own trade, take some time off the screen. The worst thing that you can do is find yourself in a revenge trade, trying to chase the market. This usually causes once a small loss to be something really big. The important thing is to remain confident and know that your strategy is working, know that the service is working, and hang in there. So let's go and discuss one trade that we lost this week on USD JPY. See what we can learn from it, why I took this trade, um, and take it from there. So I was looking at USD JPY to go long. The reason, first of all, we had this trend line going on here. We had a bullish movement on USD JPY. You can see the pair is creating higher lows and higher highs. Looking back at the pair around here, I saw another touch in the trend line and I was pretty sure this trend line will hold. If you watched my analysis on the dollar index, you know that I will also have been waiting for bullish dollar action from this level. I was looking for a correction in price before another movement to the upside. So we went in long for this trade at 111.30. This was our entry. Straight away price went into our favor to a small profit, not before reversing, breaking the trend line and hitting our stop loss for a 30 pips loss. So remember, first of all, trading is a marathon and not a sprint. I hope that all of you here are here for a long run. You know, trading is a lifetime craft. We are all getting better, better, and better, and learning from our mistakes. So the loss here was 30 pips. In case the pair um, did went to our direction, we expected to make a profit of double and more than that. So it's okay for us to take a loss when we know that one winner can be worth 3 or even 4 losing trades. Um, I hope that you learned something from it. I hope that you are staying confident in your approach, in your trading. We are here to make sure that you are on the right path and moving forward. For any questions that you might have, you can always contact me at client@shark-tips.com. I will try to answer all your questions and to address all the issues that you bring in front of me. Hope you'll have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye bye.